Hello, my dear friends, from YouTube, from Facebook, and also from Energy Radio. I'm glad to be here one more time so I can help you and share knowledge and share understanding and share something that can help you no matter where you might find yourself at this very hour. You might find yourself going through a difficult, very difficult time in your life. I'm here to help you, to share my experience. I'm not here to talk about religion. I'm not here to try to convince you, to try to make you my follower, and to try to take what you have. I'm here to share what have helped me, what have changed me, and what have taken me into another place in my life. And this can help you also. This can help your family. This can help your friends. This can help everyone around you. Because when we are illuminated, when we are full of this knowledge and this understanding, we are independent. We are free. We are people that are a happy people. And a happy person can help somebody else to be happy. We can not try to help the whole world, to help people when we ourselves are not happy, when we ourselves are not in peace, in harmony, when we ourselves are not enjoying that which we are trying people to do. So as I have enjoyed and I have experienced this harmony in my life, I want to share so you can share with others, so you can pass on this link of knowledge and understanding, and that way we can help all those around us. And I want to begin by saying, before we go into the main topic, if you want to receive my message, you could feel more than free to request it. You can share with friends, you can share with everyone. You could just press the little button there, and every time that I share a message, you will get a message, you will get an alert, and you will also receive the message alive, or you can save it and watch it later or share with someone later. I want to begin by saying we cannot change our life. We cannot restart our life. And it is important for men, it's important for each one of us to restart our life. That each and every day we have a new restart. We have a new outlook. I know that life can become tedious. Life can become very tiring. Life can become a routine of going around every day and doing the same thing every day. Every day you wake up in the morning, you get up, you do what you have to do, you go to work, you come back, and life becomes very tedious, a routine, and at time can become very, very tiring. And in reality, it does not have to be in this way. Life does not have to be tedious. We could enjoy each and every day of our life if we can just change our habits. If we can just receive a new way of changing our habits for other good habits, life will become different. We oftentimes, it takes many years, and as we grow up and become an adult, we acquire many habits. Some of those habits are normal habit of life. You wake up in the morning, you get a coffee, you have breakfast, then you go your way, or you go jogging, or you go on your way. Those are normal habits. Those are healthy habits. And I'm not talking about the habits of drugs or a habit of having an addiction. I'm talking about the habits that we have in life that become a way of living, become a present, and become a future. Unless we as human change our habit, our life will just continue being the same thing every day. I remember the teachings of the teacher. I remember the teaching of the creator. I remember once a man came to him and asked him, he said, how can a man that is old and have lived his entire life in a certain way restart again? In the natural, it's hard. In the natural, it's impossible. A person who have lived the whole life, many years, hasn't his entire or her entire life in a certain way, how can the person change and restart? How can a person that says, I have seen everything, I have heard everything, there's nothing that I have not seen, there's nothing that I have not experienced, that's when life becomes tedious. That's when a person, it gets to an age, it could be a mature age, it could be a younger age, but doesn't matter. That's when a person get there and I say, well, I'm just gonna sit down and wait for my time to come. It becomes very sad, and life does not have to be in this way. Every day can be a new day. Every day, even though you live in the same house, in the same neighborhood, even though you go and you work in the same place, and everything that you do at work is the same thing every day does not have to be the same. If we can just change our habits, then our everyday will change. Our presence will change. And eventually your future won't have to be the same. It could be completely different. As I was saying, this man, he asked the teacher, he asked the creator, he said, how can a man already old restart his life? And he answered, it's just a matter of changing our habits. It's just a matter of putting away all those habits that we have got to our entire life and replace it with new ones. With new ones that will enlighten you. Replace it with a new understanding. Replace it with a new vision. Replace it with a new way of seeing things. We oftentimes, that are creatures of habit. We don't want to change our habits. And as I say habits, I'm not emphasizing about addiction. I'm talking about habit that become a way of life, and we become so customized, and we become so involved in those habits that it becomes a way of living. It becomes a presence, and it becomes our future. Yes, we can change our habit. If we are open